we have a huge unboxing to do today. Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a MyTheresa haul. I am so excited. There are a few items that I actually purchased recently during one of MyTheresa's season sales, and I am so excited to share them with you guys because they are good. If this is your first time coming across my face, welcome new friend. I am Tasha Jadé, the owner of The Styling Tea, a channel that's dedicated to all things luxury and affordable fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So, if that is the type of content that you do enjoy watching, go ahead and think about hitting that subscribe button right down there below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time a new video drops right here on the Styling Tea channel. I showed you the two big yellow boxes, and we have quite a few items to go through, so let's just get into it right now because it's so good. Okay, so we are going to start with box number one here. I actually ended up getting a total of about 4 items from MyTheresa. But can we first talk about, y'all, the packaging with MyTheresa, because this honestly is top notch. Like, look at how well they styled this package. They also put in a nice little note here for you, so it's really cute. It basically just thanks you for your order. And then they also have, whoever packaged it up, they include her name. So thanks, Mauda, for packaging my MyTheresa haul. This is perfect. Okay, so the very first item that I purchased from MyTheresa is this cute little Caperni bag. Isn't she adorable? So this is from the brand Caperni, like I said, and this bag itself is very small. There's not really a whole lot that you can add into it. This is definitely not like a bag that you're going to wear out and think that you're going to put in a bunch of items, because it only has one little pocket right here. So it's only enough room to add in your cards, or like a card holder, your keys. Probably, can my cell phone fit in here? Let's see. This is my cell phone. Probably my cell phone. Nope, cell phone cannot fit, so it doesn't add your cell phone. So basically your card wallet, or a small little wallet, your keys, and a lip gloss. It is just that. Like, there's nothing else that's gonna be added in here. This is just like a going out cute bag. Like, I just wanna look cute in my outfit type of bag. That's all it is. It's that type of vibe. So this bag retailed, hold on, let me pull up my receipt so I can show you guys what the retail price was and what I paid for these items. Okay, so this bag, y'all, this was a huge discount. So this bag retailed for $710 on the MyTheresa website. I got this bag for $250. And the reason why is because, one, the bag went on sale, so this bag was already discounted, and then I took advantage of their extra 20% off sale, so it brought the price down even further. So $250 for this bag is what I paid. Okay, so let's get into the next item. Now this next item, I am not going to show you with me wearing it because I would get flagged on YouTube. However, I will tell you why I purchased it in just a minute. But I am going to show you a photo of what it looks like on the model here so you can see it. But I purchased this dress from Norma Kamali. Hold on, let me pull it out because it's all tangled. And it's so cute. Okay, let's just pull this together. You see why I cannot show this on YouTube? Yeah. So this dress right here is stunning. I am so excited to be able to wear this. This, I will say, is actually a goal dress of mine. So I'm not gonna wear this right now, but when I reach my goal weight, and I normally don't like to buy clothes like this, but there's a reason why I'm doing this. When I reach my goal weight, I am wearing this dress. Am I wearing this out and about? Not right away. So what I'm going to do is I have this idea of getting like some black and white photos of myself, and I want to wear this dress as part of a photo shoot once I reach my weight loss goal, because in my house I have this whole black and white aesthetic going on, but there's a theme inside my house where all of the photography is basically featuring strong, black, beautiful women, right? So the last photo that I'm going to add to my home to finish off the final decor of my home is a photo of myself. And so I want to get some photos of me actually wearing this dress. Something like what I can actually like look back at later. So if you're a Sex and the City fan, like you'll get this, but hold on, let me come a little closer so I can share this. Do you remember the episode where Samantha went and decided to get nude photos of herself? It's kind of my inspiration, except I'm not gonna be like nude. But I wanna have some photos of myself looking my best that I can look back at later when I'm a lot older, and I can revert back to those and say, damn, I looked good. So anyway, so this dress, like I said, this is an all mesh dress. This is actually from the brand Norma Kamali. This I feel like is like a really great like Vegas or Miami dress. This is obviously not an everyday type of dress, but if you're going on like a girls trip somewhere or like a tropical vacation where you know like nobody is going to remember you, take this dress, because at the end of the day, like this is very like hot girl summer type of dress. So I got this dress. So, okay, wait, the original price of this dress was $321. The discount for this dress went down to $160. And then with the 20% off on this dress, I ended up paying a total of $125. So this dress was literally more than 50% off. Actually, it was about 50% off. Huge steal. So all of the items that are still available, and if I do recall, all of these items are still available, so you can take advantage of them. I will link down below so you guys can also get in on this sale as well. All right, let's get into item number 3. So item number 3 comes from a brand I've never heard of before, but it's a brand called Decori. And if you did not know, these are an actual pair of shoes. However, I'm so excited for these. So first off, this shoe comes with one dust bag for both shoes. Kind of a negative, but it is what it is. Y'all, these shoes are so gorgeous. So these are the shoes that I got from Decori. These are such a gorgeous pair of silver mules. And I was looking for, I honestly don't have any silver shoes in my wardrobe whatsoever. I was kind of surprised by that because I thought I did, but I actually don't. These also kind of give me like Carrie Bradshaw vibes, but I didn't get them for that. I just got them because they really drew me into them, and like I knew that these would be shoes like I could wear with so many different outfits. But these shoes are very comfortable walking around in. I've already tried them on. These I got in like a size 37, which turns out to be a size 7 in Euro sizes and American sizes. But they retailed, hold on, let me pull this up. Let's see the price of them. Okay, so these shoes, y'all, these shoes retailed for $780. $780 for these shoes. The discounted before the extra 20 was $546. And then with the 20% off on this as well, these came down to a total of $440. So these were a steal. From $780 to $440, like that's a huge steal. Y'all, I have saved the best for last, and it is a good one. It is a good, all caps with a capital T at the end, good item. I am so happy that this item has arrived. So, before I share with you guys what exactly it is, first off, let me just show you the box, so that way you're not sitting here waiting forever. It's Versace. So, I have been on the hunt for this shoe, and not exactly this particular color, but it all worked out for me. I have been on the hunt for this particular shoe ever since I watched one of Saida Silva's Scout the City vlogs, where she went to Italy to watch the Versace, I think it was their spring summer collection, 2023 collection. 2022 collection. I remember it is. That's when it was. So Versace had obviously released their platform heels that came out in 2020, and they were like the biggest like trending shoe out here. Like all the fashion girls had it. Here's an example of what the shoe actually looked like. I originally thought, okay, this is cute. Kind of, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, hit or miss, right? Then in 2021, they released a, was it 2021? The next version that they released, actually it was 2021 that they released the first one. The second one actually was released in 2022. I remember because that's the year that I moved. 2022, they released their second version of the same shoe, and they came out with a fuchsia color, but they had a more pointed version of that shoe. That's the shoe that I saw with Side to Silva, and that was part of their spring summer collection. They also shared more options in the fall as well. And I remember sitting there thinking, if I'm going to get this Versace shoe, I'm going to get it more pointed, right? So anyways, I was looking at the shoe and I'm like, I'm gonna find it. It was extremely high in price. And I was like, okay, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. I almost bought it in a different color, and then I went ahead and decided to return it because, well, one, it's not that I decided to return it. I decided I no longer wanted it because it was taking forever to come. So I was like, forget it. I don't want it. Just give my money back, right? Then I come across this shoe, and I instantly knew it was meant to be. Why? Number one, they had it in my size, and two, it was on sale. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this shoe itself was not part of the 20%, extra 20% off discount that MyTheresa was having. I didn't care. I did not care. The simple fact that it was on sale was enough for me to say add to cart, immediately purchase. Can we give a round of applause for this shoe? Isn't she pretty? Ah, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh, these shoes are fire. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Now I will say they are very reminiscent of the Valentino version of the shoes, which I saw those as well, and those are cute as well. But they're not, like, this right here is me. This to me is something I have not seen a lot of other fashion girls wearing, and I'm really glad about that, just because this is something I feel like I'm purchasing specifically because it speaks directly to me, and it's something that I know is going to fit in with my personal style. I'm never a fan of just go buy stuff just because everybody else has it, because there's no individuality into it. This is individuality. This is me. This is fire. So these shoes are, I believe they're like a 5.5 inch as far as the heel. I am 5'3", so this hikes me up there with all the other tall girls. I got these in a size 37, which is a size 7. Perfect. And then inside of the bag, you get one dust bag, which is kind of sad, honestly, for 2 platform shoes. But whatever, it is what it is. And then the other thing, it does come with a authenticity card holder. So if I ever decide I want to resell the shoes, I can always make sure to keep this inside of here, so I get more for the resale value. Now let's get into the price of the shoe. So, let me clear my throat because these shoes were hella pricey. So the original price for these shoes were $1,650. That is not what I paid. I paid $825 out the door. Yes. So this is why I'm a big fan of just waiting until items go on sale before you decide to immediately purchase them. Like, don't be so quick to jump on the bandwagon with the hype when items are becoming really popular, because I guarantee you, if it's something that you really, really want and you're going to want to keep in your wardrobe, you can find it for less. So if you're interested in finding out more about how to actually find designer items for less, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, because I'm going to keep sharing with you guys how you can actually find designer goods for less, where you can shop, how you can, make sure that you are always notified when things are going on sale, and just save your coins. That is what we do here. We want to save our coins. We want to get a good deal. So if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you, Fren, so much for watching. Really appreciate that. And let me know in the comments, guys, which items you are really interested in, which items I actually shared that you truly loved. I'd love to hear from you as well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, girl, hit that subscribe button right now. Just go ahead, pause, hit the subscribe button right now. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you are notified when the next video drops right here on the Styling Tea channel. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.